Oh, David, help me. This box is too heavy.
Just a moment, Mary.
That's okay, Dad. I can help, Mom.
Thanks, Tina.
Phew, I'm so tired.
I am too, Mary. But there are a lot more boxes out there to be moved.
Hi, my name is Joe Williams, and this is my wife, Sue. We live in the next apartment.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Sue.
Hi.
My name is Mary White. Nice to meet you.
You must be the new family living in this apartment.
Yes, we are. Would you like to come in? Joe and Sue Williams, this is my husband, David, and our daughter, Tina.
Hi, Joe. Nice to meet you. Hi, Sue. Nice
Hi.
to meet you.
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Williams. It's very nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
So, can we help you? You have so many boxes.
You don't mind?
We don't mind at all. We're happy to help our new neighbors.
Okay, thanks.
Great.
Wow, this looks really nice. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Joe. How are you this morning?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Oh, I am a little bit tired.
Well, me too. We worked very hard last night.
Yes, we did. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, David. David and Mary, I would like you to meet the Smith family. This is Bill Smith, his wife Kathy, and their son Jack.
I'm David White. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Good morning, Mary. I'm Kathy.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
This is lovely furniture.
Oh, thank you. It was my mother's. Yes. Would you like to sit down, please?
Sure.
Mom, what should I do with this box? Oh, hi. I'm Tina.
Hi, my name's Jack. Do you guys live here too?
Yeah, I moved in yesterday.
Great. Great. I live right next door.
Good, because I don't know anybody else here.
Tina, come here. I would like you to meet Bill and Kathy Smith.
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. It's nice to meet you.
Mary, you have a lovely daughter.
Thank you. She's not only lovely, she's shy also. Hello, this is the White residence.
Hello, may I please speak with Mary?
This is Mary speaking.
Hi, Mary. This is Sue. How are you today?
Oh, I'm fine, Sue. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm sorry to bother you. Are you busy?
Not too busy. I'm cleaning the apartment right now.
Listen, Mary, I was wondering, do you want to join Kathy and me today?
Where are you going?
We both need to buy some food at the supermarket.
Oh, great. I am so happy you invited me to join you.
Why is that, Mary?
Because I do not have any food in the apartment.
Oh, I think you really need to go then.
Yes, I agree with you. I know tonight David and Tina will be very hungry if I don't have any food from the supermarket.
Good. So Kathy and I will go at 12 o'clock. Is that a good time for you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I have a hair appointment at 12 o'clock. How about I meet you at the supermarket at 1 o'clock?
Sure. So Kathy and I will see you at the supermarket at 1 o'clock.
Okay, that sounds good, Sue. I'll see you then. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, hi, Mary.
Hi.
Have you finished moving everything into your apartment?
Yes, I've been busy cleaning all day, trying to get all of my housework finished.
I'm so glad to have a new neighbor who's so friendly.
Yes, I am so happy we moved here. I am so glad to have many friendly neighbors. I talked to Sue today on the telephone, and she asked me to join you and go to the market together.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad you'll be joining us.
Yes, me too. I have no food in the apartment.
So, I'll see you at 12?
No, actually, I'll meet you at 1 o'clock there. Although I forgot to get directions from Sue.
Oh, okay. It's very easy to get to the supermarket. I can tell you.
Okay, just a moment.
First, you go straight on Main Street for about 1 mile.
Uh-huh.
At the second traffic light, turn left onto Grayson Avenue. After you turn left, go straight about 4 blocks.
4 blocks.
The supermarket will be on your right-hand side. It's very large, so you'll see it easily.
Okay, let me repeat this to make sure I have the directions correctly.
All right.
Go straight on Main Street for 1 mile. Turn left onto Grayson Avenue after the second traffic light. Go 4 blocks and the supermarket is on the right-hand side.
That's exactly right. So, I'll see you there.
Okay, I'll see you there, Kathy.
Bye-bye, Mary.
Bye-bye.
That was a funny story, Mary.
Yeah, it sure was.
Just put those over there beside the sink.
By the sink?
Yes, over there.
Mary, what should I do with the salt and pepper?
You can put that beside the stove.
And how about these vegetables?
Those can go in the refrigerator.
Do you want this fruit in the refrigerator also?
No, that can go above the microwave.
And how about these cans of food?
These can go above the sink.
Mary, what about this bottle of soap?
That can go under the sink.
Wow, Mary, I think you've got enough stuff here for a whole month.
Yes, I think so. I don't want to have to go to the supermarket again for a long time.
Mary, how about the bread? Where should I put the bread?
That can go above the microwave behind the fruit.
Okay, I think that's about everything.
Good. You can throw the bags in the trash can.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much for asking me to join you to go to the supermarket today.
You're welcome. And I'm sure David and Tina will be very happy too.
Hello, Jones Accounting Firm. How may I help you?
May I speak with Sue Williams, please?
This is Sue speaking. May I help you?
Sue, this is Kathy.
Oh, Kathy, hi. What's up?
Well, I was wondering if you and your family would like to go on vacation with us.
Oh, we would love to go.
And the White family is going also.
Great. Where are you going?
We're going to Florida.
Oh, that's very far away. Will you fly on a plane?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm afraid we cannot go. It would be too expensive for us.
But we have a very special price for the plane tickets. It's really not very expensive.
Well, when are you going?
The last week of June.
Oh, Kathy, I'm sorry. We're not free the last week of June.
Oh, why?
Joe and I both have to work. We don't have enough vacation time.
Can you ask your boss for more vacation time?
No, it is very difficult for us to ask for vacation time. I'm sorry, but we really cannot go.
Are you sure you cannot go?
I'm sure. It would be impossible for us to go.
I really wish you could go, Sue.
Yes, so do I. But it is really not convenient for us to go. I'm sorry.
Never mind, Sue. That's okay.
But I hope you all have a good time in Florida.
Thanks. I'm sure we will.
Oh, and Kathy?
Yes, Sue?
Thank you for inviting us to go along. I'm really sorry we can't go.
No problem. Maybe next year you can go with us.
Okay, sure. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, does everyone know what they want to do on our trip to Florida?
Well, Kathy and I want to go shopping every day.
And David and I want to go boating and fishing every day.
And Tina and I want to go to the beach every day.
And the zoo, and the museum, and the mall.
Wait, wait. I think we have too much to do in 1 week.
David is right. We should make a schedule of everything that we would like to do each day.
Okay. I have a pen and paper. I'll write down everything we plan to do.
Okay.
Okay, on Sunday, we'll go to the airport and fly to Florida. We'll arrive at the hotel in the evening.
Okay. Sunday, airport, hotel.
And on Monday, can we all go to the beach together?
Sounds good. Monday, beach.
Tuesday, everyone can go shopping together and we'll buy gifts and souvenirs.
On Wednesday, the men can go boating and fishing, the women can go shopping again, and the kids can go to the beach again.
Slow down, slow down. I can't write that fast.
And Thursday we can go to the zoo.
Thursday, zoo.
Friday, the women and children could go to the amusement park and the men could go boating and fishing again.
I think Saturday should be a day for everyone to do what they want to do. Just a free day.
And of course, on Sunday, we go to the airport and we fly home.
Well, I think we have a good plan for our trip to Florida.
Yes, I've written down our plans for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the last Sunday.
I'm so excited! Oh, hi, Mary and Kathy. Come on in.
We're sorry to bother you, Sue. We were packing for our trip to Florida and we were hoping that we could borrow some things from you.
Yes, I have so many things to pack that I don't have enough suitcases.
You don't? No problem. We have many extra suitcases. You can borrow one.
I can? Oh, thanks, Sue. That's very nice of you.
Also, do you have an extra tennis racket? David and I were hoping to play some tennis while we are in Florida, but we only have one racket.
No problem. You can borrow Joe's racket.
She can?
Yes, she can.
Oh, yeah. Sure, yes, you can.
Oh, Sue, I'm so disappointed that you're not going to join us in Florida. I hope you're not too bored being at home this week.
Oh, we're not staying at home.
We're not?
No, we're not. I talked with my mother on the phone this morning.
You did?
Yes, I did. She wants us to come and visit her for a few days.
She does?
Yes, she does. As a matter of fact, we're going tomorrow morning.
Oh.
So, you need to start packing your suitcase right now, dear.
I should?
Yes, you should. Do you have a problem with going to visit my mother?
Oh, no, not at all. I would love to visit your mother.
You would?
Well, I guess it will be all right.
Oh, Sue, I'm so happy that you don't have to stay home all week. Going to visit your mother is a wonderful idea.
It is?
Joe, why do you look so upset?
I wanted to go to Florida with our friends. I'm frustrated.
Don't be upset. We're going to visit my mother.
I know we're going to visit your mother. That's why I'm upset.
And why don't you want to go visit my mother?
Because...
Yes, because why?
Because I don't know what to pack in my suitcase.
Joe, you have so many clothes, so many nice things.
I know. That's the problem. I don't know what to take.
Oh, Joe, here. I'll help you decide what to take. How about these blue pants? You can take them when we go shopping with my mother.
Okay. And, well, I guess this red shirt would look nice with the blue pants. Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And I think you need to take a jacket or a sweater because the evenings will be cool.
Well, should I take the large tan jacket or should I take the small green sweater?
I think this will be enough.
You think so? Okay, the small green sweater. Okay. Oh, what about my swimming suit?
Let's see. Should you take the black bikini? Or how about your yellow bathing suit?
I think the black bikini is better.
Oh, I like the yellow bathing suit. I think you should take this one. I really do. All right, okay. Well, what shoes are you going to take?
Shoes? I don't know. Should I take the brown shoes or the white shoes?
I think the white ones are better.
Okay. I think I can finish packing myself now. Thank you, Sue.
Anytime, especially when we're going to visit my mother.
Oh, yeah.
Joe, what's the matter? Are you all right? What's the matter?
I have a stomach ache.
Oh, well, why do you have a stomach ache?
I don't know. I just know that my stomach hurts.
I think I should take you to the doctor.
Joe Williams?
That's us, doctor.
Please, sit down.
Thank you.
you feel today, Joe?
Oh, I have a very, very bad stomach ache.
Okay. You have a stomach ache. Do you have a fever?
A fever? I don't know. Am I hot? Am I hot? Am I hot?
No,
No.
you're not hot. You don't have a fever. Do you have a headache?
No, just my stomach.
Okay. Have you been feeling tired?
Tired? Not very much.
Have you been coughing or sneezing?
Coughing or sneezing? No, I have not been coughing or sneezing.
Doctor, do you know what's wrong with Joe?
Well, he has a very bad stomach ache,
No.
but he does not have a headache. He does not have a fever. He has not been feeling tired. And he hasn't been coughing or sneezing. Have you been eating these?
Eating. Oh, yes.
How many of these have you eaten?
I don't know. 20?
20?
20?
Well, they're very delicious. They're very good.
Now I know why you have a stomach ache. Here, take 3 of these every hour for the next 2 days. You will be feeling better by tomorrow.
Oh. Oh, Sue, I'm sorry. Sue, really, I'm very sorry.
I don't believe you.
Oh, Sue, please forgive me.
I couldn't go to my mother's today.
What?
You had to go to the doctor.
I can't hear you. Please, speak louder.
I said we couldn't go to my mother's today because you had to go to the doctor.
I was sick.
You ate too many chocolate bars.
I'm really sorry.
I don't forgive you.
Sue, please, really, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
No, you shouldn't have eaten so many chocolate bars.
Hey, wait a minute. You gave me those chocolate bars.
Oh, I guess I did give you those chocolate bars.
Yeah.
Oh, Joe, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have gotten mad at you for eating the chocolate bars I gave you. Will you forgive me? Joe, I'm really sorry.
Okay. I'll forgive you if you forgive me.
Okay, we'll forgive each other.
Okay. So, what do you want to do now?
Well, I am quite hungry, actually. How about we eat some chocolate bars?
Oh, Sue. No more chocolate. Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Mary! Mary, wake up! It's 10 till 10. We're late.
That's nice, dear. What? 9:50? Oh, we are late.
And we have to leave the house to go to the airport at 15 after 10.
Oh, that means we only have 25 minutes to get ready. Oh.
Mom, Dad, what time is it?
It's 9:52. That means we only have 23 minutes to get to the airport. Let's go!
Yes, come in.
Mary, do you know what time it is? It's 10:03. We have to go to the airport at 10:15.
Can you please take our bags to the car?
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Dad, what time do we have to be at the airport?
At 11:30.
11:30?
Okay.
You think we'll make it?
I sure hope so.
Tina, did you pack all of your suitcases?
Yeah, they're all packed.
Okay, are you sure you got everything?
Yes.
Okay, you got your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your hair dryer, your makeup?
Yes. Yes and yes.
Okay, so, and David, did you get everything?
Yes, I have my shoes, my clothes, a book to read on the plane, and all of our money.
Okay. So everyone got everything, right?
Yes, we're sure we have everything.
Okay, I think this is everything. Let's go.
All right.
Attention please. Flight 747 is now boarding at gate 39. Flight 747 is now boarding at gate 39.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am. Can I help you?
Yes, we are late for a flight to Florida.
Okay. And what is your flight number?
Our flight number is 1250.
Your flight is at 12:50?
No. Our flight is at 11:30. Our flight number is 1250.
Okay. How many tickets do you need for your flight?
We have 6 tickets for our flight to Florida at 11:30, flight 1250.
Okay. You have 12 tickets for flight 11:30 that leaves at 6:30.
No. We have 6 tickets at 11:30 for flight number 1250.
Whoa! You need to hurry. It's 11 o'clock.
I know. Could you hurry as quickly as possible, please?
Okay. That's 6 tickets.
Yes.
And it is flight number 1250.
Yes.
Okay, and it leaves at 11:30?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma'am, but that flight has been delayed. It does not leave for another 1 hour and 45 minutes.
What? You mean we got up very quickly. We got ready very quickly. We came to the airport very quickly. And you are telling me that our flight does not leave for another hour and 45 minutes?
Yeah. But that's good.
How is that good?
Now you're not late.
I'm so tired.
I'm more than tired. I'm exhausted.
I think everybody's tired.
I'm a little tired, but not too much.
Yes, me too. I think we should go somewhere tonight.
How about going out to a movie?
No.
No.
Sorry, I thought you'd like to go.
I'd like to go see the beach.
Sweetheart, you're a little late. It's dark outside already.
I would like to take a shower before we go out.
Yes, David is right. I think we all need a shower before we go out.
All right, after everyone's had a shower, we'll go out and eat.
Could we eat pizza?
Tina, dear, we had pizza last night. We need to try something different tonight.
How about Chinese food? You'd like to go out and get some Chinese food?
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a shower first, and then we'll all go out to eat Chinese food.
Mom,
Yes, Tina?
if I don't want Chinese food, could I order a pizza?
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hi.
Hi.
There's 6 of us.
You want to kick a bus?
No, I said there are 6 of us.
Oh, there are 6 of you.
Yes. Is there a table free?
Huh? You cannot see?
No, no. Is there a table free?
Oh, yes. Please come.
Excuse me. How much is the soup?
You are a very large group.
No, I asked you how much is the soup?
Oh, it is $3.
And what about the rice?
It is $1 a plate.
Okay, I think we would like 6 bowls of soup, 6 plates of rice, and 1 large duck.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Where have you been? You've been gone for a long time.
Well, I went to the doctor.
To the doctor? Sue, are you sick? Why didn't you tell me you weren't feeling well? I could go to the doctor with you.
Joe, dear, I'm not sick.
You're not sick?
No.
Well, if you're not sick, why did you go to the doctor?
Darling, we're going to have a baby.
A baby?
Yes.
We're going to have a baby?
Yes.
Oh, Sue! Oh, that's terrific! Oh, I'm so happy!
I know. I'm excited too.
I'm going to call all of our friends on the telephone.
Okay.
I'm going to tell them the good news.
Okay.
A baby?
Yes.
Hello.
Kathy,
Yes.
this is Joe. Sue is going to have a baby.
A baby? Oh, Sue, this is great. Congratulations.
Thanks, Kathy.
I'm so happy for you and Joe. This is terrific news. We must have a congratulations party. We can invite everyone.
Oh, that is a terrific idea. We could invite your family, and we can invite the White family also.
Yes, definitely.
This is fantastic. Congratulations, Joe. Congratulations, Sue.
Thank you.
Whoa. It's wrapped very well. I can't get in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, Mary, this is so beautiful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Sue.
Kathy, thank you for the lovely baby clothes. They're perfect.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
And Jack, it was so nice of you to give your ball for the baby to play with. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
And David, I can't thank you enough for the lovely toy you made. Are you sure it wasn't too difficult for you?
No problem. Think nothing of it.
I want you all to know we appreciate these gifts so much. They are really lovely. Thank you.
No problem.
Sure.
We are really so lucky to have such good friends. God bless you all. Thank you.
I want to thank everyone also. When our family moved into this apartment, we didn't know anyone, but now we have many new friends.
I agree. You are all very special to me.
And Tina, you know how you can be a good friend to me in the future.
How?
You can help me take care of the baby in your free time.
You know, I'm so glad that you have moved into our apartment building. I think we've become very good friends.
Yes, we have. And I think we will all be friends for a very long time.
Which, remember CH, which vegetables do you usually eat? Which vegetables do you usually eat? I usually eat cucumbers, potatoes, and cabbages. Okay, I usually eat cucumbers, potatoes, and cabbages. Number 2, do you like eating lettuce? Do you like eating lettuce? Yes, I do. I love lettuce. Or not really. Not really. Not really. I rarely. This is rarely. That means I sometimes. Okay. I rarely eat lettuce. I rarely eat lettuce. Yes, I do. I love lettuce. Or not really. I rarely eat lettuce. Number 3. How do you like to eat carrots? How do you like to eat carrots? That means that how do you want me to make the lettuce? Like you can eat them raw, you can eat them boiled or steamed or stir-fried or something like that, okay? How do you like to eat carrots? I like to eat them raw. I like to eat them boiled. I like to eat them stir-fried. I like to eat them fried. I like to eat them grilled or baked, anything like that, okay? So I like to eat them raw. Raw, that means without cooked, okay? Without cooking. Do you eat asparagus? Yes, I do. It's delicious. No, I don't. No, I don't eat asparagus. There are some vegetables that for some people they don't like it, but they don't really hate it, but they just don't eat it. They just don't want to eat, okay? Do you eat asparagus? Yes, I do. It's delicious. No, I don't. Sorry, no, I don't eat asparagus. No, I don't eat asparagus. Number 5, which vegetables? Which vegetables? This one's kind of difficult, huh? Which vegetables? Which vegetables? Which vegetables are there in the fridge? Fridge, that means refrigerator, okay? Fridge. There are green beans and eggplants. There are green beans and eggplants. There aren't any vegetables in the fridge. If there are some vegetables, you can say there are and then vegetables. And if there aren't anything, you just say there aren't any vegetables in the fridge. That means there is no vegetables in the fridge, okay? Can you go to the supermarket? Can you go to the supermarket to buy some sweet potatoes for me? That means like now in the house or in the apartment we don't have sweet potatoes. And can you go to the supermarket to buy the sweet potatoes for me because I want to cook right now, okay? Can you go to the supermarket to buy some sweet potatoes for me? Sure, no problem. If you agree, sure. No problem. Or if you disagree, if you want to refuse, you can say, sorry, I can't, I'm busy now. Sorry, I can't, I'm busy now.